Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. We've got a quick one for you today, but it's a really practical solution for those of you who just have too many ball caps laying around. In my world, I play golf and I wear a hat all the time because there's not a lot of protection from the sun on my dome. And I've been looking for a way to organize, protect, and just kind of make the back of the car a little bit less hectic because there are hats everywhere back there. So we found a really cool solution that has a bit of a nesting doll feel to it. This 2-in-1 hat protector kit, pretty fun stuff, very simple. So we have, first of all, a solid shell. And within here, within the bigger one, we have room for, I'd say 5 hats comfortably, 6 if you didn't mind them getting pushed down a little bit. They fit right inside what looks like kind of a giant hat with the bill sticking out here. And we can zip that shut. And we're good to go. By the way, the kit also comes with some carrying straps if you want to put them on your shoulder. I'm not sure why you would walk around with hats in a backpack, but you can because it comes with these straps. So we have the bigger kit here, and then we have the smaller one here, and in the end, you've got a pretty cool and efficient and affordable way to protect right around 10 caps, however it is you choose to store them. Maybe they need to be protected in the back of your car. Maybe your man cave is just sloppy and a mess and you need to organize some things. Maybe you're like me and you just have too many ball caps. Whatever the case may be, here's a really good way to protect them.